21 Stevia-based desserts for type 2 diabetes. Stevia is a natural, non-caloric sweetener extracted from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, which is native to South America. The leaves of the stevia plant contain sweet-tasting compounds called steviol glycosides, with the main one being sativoside. These compounds provide intense sweetness, up to 200 to 400 times sweeter than table sugar, sucrose, while containing very few calories. Stevia has gained popularity as a sugar substitute and alternative sweetener, particularly for people who want to reduce their calorie or sugar intake. It does not raise blood sugar levels, making it a suitable option for individuals with diabetes or those following a low-sugar or low-carbohydrate diet. Stevia is available in various forms, including powdered extract, liquid drops, and granulated blends. It can be used in cooking, baking, and beverages as a substitute for sugar. It's important to note that stevia may have a slightly different taste profile compared to sugar, with some people describing it as having a mild licorice-like or herbal aftertaste. 21 Stevia desserts for diabetes. Here are 21 stevia-based dessert recipes that can be suitable for individuals with diabetes. Stevia chocolate mousse. Whip up a creamy chocolate mousse using sugar-free cocoa powder and stevia as a sweetener. Stevia berry parfait. Layer fresh berries with sugar-free yogurt sweetened with stevia, and top with chopped nuts for added texture. Stevia lemon bars. Make a tangy lemon filling using stevia as a sweetener, and pour it over a low-carb almond flour crust. Stevia peanut butter cookies. Enjoy classic peanut butter cookies by using stevia instead of sugar. Stevia apple crisp. Combine sliced apples, cinnamon, and a stevia-based crumble topping for a delicious and lower sugar dessert. Stevia vanilla ice cream. Make your own sugar-free ice cream using stevia and vanilla extract. Stevia pumpkin pie. Create a low-sugar version of pumpkin pie by using stevia to sweeten the filling in a nut-based crust. Stevia blueberry muffins. Bake up some moist and flavorful blueberry muffins using stevia as a sugar substitute. Stevia banana bread. Use stevia in place of sugar when making a diabetes-friendly banana bread. Stevia coconut macaroons. Make chewy and sweet coconut macaroons using stevia instead of traditional sugar. Stevia chocolate chip cookies. Satisfy your cookie cravings with chocolate chip cookies sweetened with stevia. Stevia cheesecake. Create a creamy and rich cheesecake by using stevia as a sugar alternative in the filling and crust. Stevia raspberry sorbet. Blend fresh raspberries with stevia and a splash of lemon juice to make a refreshing sorbet. Stevia pecan pie bars. Enjoy the flavors of pecan pie in a portable and low-sugar bar form by using stevia. Stevia carrot cake. Bake a delicious carrot cake using stevia to replace traditional sugar in the batter and cream cheese frosting. Stevia cinnamon rolls. Indulge in cinnamon rolls with a stevia-based glaze for a guilt-free treat. Stevia chocolate avocado pudding. Create a creamy chocolate pudding using avocados, cocoa powder, and stevia. Stevia lemon poppy seed cake. Bake a moist and citrusy cake using stevia and almond flour. Stevia oatmeal raisin cookies. Make chewy oatmeal cookies with stevia and replace raisins with sugar-free dried cranberries for a lower sugar option. Stevia peach cobbler. Enjoy a warm and comforting peach cobbler using stevia as a sugar substitute. Stevia chocolate-covered strawberries. Dip fresh strawberries into melted sugar-free chocolate sweetened with stevia for an elegant and low-sugar dessert. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure these desserts fit into your specific dietary needs and diabetes management plan. Please subscribe and share.